Okay, so you'll need some nails, big ones. I didn't have any, so I'm using screws. You're gonna need your bucket. You're gonna need a rat trap or a mouse trap. And some string or fishing line. First, by drilling a hole in the top of your container or the bucket or whatever you're using. I don't know why, but I drilled quite a bit. And also so I could see through right in here. But so do that. Okay. Nail your rat trap into the ground. Once you're done nailing it to the ground, tie a loop around big nail. And then one more loop at the other end of the string. The final result, you have the nail is in the ground there with the line going up through a hole. From that hole down to the rat trap. And then you put the bait on this trigger here and it drops. Here is a really simple bird trap, or bunny or whatever. You just take your bucket or whatever, your main stick, with one more stick in between that and the bucket, which goes from there down. And the bird or whatever take the bait will get it. And boom. Really simple bird trap.